Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video I have some very special guests. This is my son Jasper and my daughter Hayden. You guys have met her before. And today we're going to do some kids Christmas crafts.
Yeah.
I got this book from the Dollar Tree and it's year-round kid-friendly crafts.
Yeah.
And it has a whole bunch of
Christmas crafts.
It has Christmas crafts, Halloween. It has a whole bunch of holiday crafts for kids. I recommend getting this if that's what you like. Like if your kids love doing crafts, this would be amazing for them. So I think that each time we're going to do some crafts out of this book. In today's video, we're going to do the gumdrop, the gumdrop snowflakes and the craft stick ornaments. We're probably going to do Rudolph.
Yeah.
So first we'll start off with the snowflakes. And it says the materials are gumdrops, medium and large size, toothpicks, and then the instructions say insert 6 toothpicks into a large gumdrop for the center of the snowflake. And then use the smaller gumdrops to decorate the toothpicks until it's covered, which it shows you a little picture. It's pretty easy to understand. So I couldn't find the big gumdrops, so I had to get these sour cubes. I thought that they would work pretty good. So we're each going to have one of these sour cubes to stick it in the toothpicks. And I got sandwich toothpicks because they're a little bit bigger. And I thought that it would work better for this. And we each get 6 toothpicks. So there's 4. Okay. And what you're going to do is you're just going to poke them into the sides like this.
Mommy, I do it.
Mm-hmm.
It's like the arms and the legs. See?
Until you get this shape. And then when you're done with that, you just take your gumdrops and then you just stick them on here. Like that.
Like this.
You can put them on however you want, Jasper.
I want to do the punky fire.
It's a little alien.
Yeah, it's wearing Ellen.
This is its legs. This is
It's like a pookie.
This is the
Like a
tail.
pookie. It's like a pookie shape.
It's a wheel.
All right.
I want to use the green ones. Can I
Okay.
make a pattern?
Yeah, you can do whatever you want to do.
Marshmallow.
This is my finished product.
It's a star. A star angel fish.
This would be a great thing to do with the kids, like at your holiday party or whatever, and then they can just eat it too. So
Yum, 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 yum.
great way to keep them busy and it won't go to waste. Here's mine. Show yours, Jasper.
Here's mine. This is
There's
his head.
Jasper's.
However, I have 3 arms and 2 legs.
Show yours, Hayden. This was really easy to do. It was fun. Did you guys like it?
Yeah.
Did you like it, Jasper?
Lollipop. It's a sucker. It's a sour sucker.
I'll take that as a yes. So next we're going to do the popsicle stick ornaments and we're going to do the reindeer. So for this you need popsicle sticks, markers or paint, ribbon. Instead of ribbon we're going to use these pipe cleaners. Glitter glue, wiggly eyes, pom-poms, buttons, beads, basically anything you want to use to decorate it. So I'm going to use hot glue. So if you're a kid, you need to ask your mom and dad to help you glue with hot glue. Glue craft sticks into triangle shapes. For the reindeer, glue top sticks slightly lower to make the antlers. Color the trees with paint or markers. Decorate with sequins, buttons, or glitter glue. For the reindeer, color brown and put the wiggly eyes and pom-pom nose. Cut 8-inch length of ribbon and tie into a loop and then attach it and do all that. So I just glue it into a V. And then you just take it and make an upside down A basically. You just glue it. Now this one's going to be Hayden's and I'm going to let her pick out which collar she wants. Hayden, pick out a marker that you want your reindeer collar to be.
Black.
I want
You
black
want that?
too.
Look at eyeball. I want googly eyeball.
That's brown.
I don't want brown.
Yay.
See, all you have to do is just color it. Color it like that.
Easy. Easy. Aww.
Now when you get this done, then you're just going to glue. Does that make sense?
Eyeball.
Then you're just going to glue the little pom-pom down here for the nose.
Eyeball. And my nose. It's already there.
Like that. And then you're just going to glue the 2 googly eyes right there.
Mine.
Hold on, you finish coloring yours and I'll do this to yours, okay?
I changed my mind as glue.
So then you're just going to do it like that. And you can add bows or do whatever you want to do to decorate it. But I'm just going to keep it simple today. Okay, hold on.
Hang on.
And then we're just going to take it and just wrap this around the horns, or antlers, I mean.
Yeah.
We're just going to wrap it around and then do it on the other side. There's hot glue everywhere. Just going to do it on the other side, and then that's how we're going to have our string. I had a bunch of these pipe cleaners, so I just decided to use these so I could get use out of them. So it just looks like this. Really cute. And this was easy to do too. Now you can use regular glue. If the kids want to do it themselves, I suggest regular glue, but I just use hot glue just to get it done quicker. And because I'm doing it with them, so I can just do that part easy.
Speak French a little.
And then here's Hayden's, and we're going to put the pipe cleaner on hers. And then here's Hayden's. Okay, Jasper wants to do his different.
And my
Right there by the horns.
Where do you want the nose, Jasper?
The be right there. Okay, right here.
right back.
Okay.
Tie it around here.
Huh?
Tie it around here.
Like that?
No, actually, I want to tie it in there. Okay.
Like this?
Yeah, normal.
So this is Jasper's. So we're all going to hold ours and show him.
This is mine.
I got a bigger mustache.
This was really fun to do and easy too. This would be a great thing to do during the holidays with your kids. So I really do recommend this book. I think that it'll be really fun to do all of these. And they have quite a few for each season. I mean, you don't have to do all of them, but do some of them, whatever you like. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. We hope you enjoyed it. And if this seems like something that you'd be interested in, they have this at the Dollar Tree. I'm sure you can find it online or wherever too. But we thought a lot of it was really fun looking, and we're going to do a lot of the crafts. And we'll have more videos doing more of these. So you guys want to say bye?
Bye.
Can I tell them something? I'm actually the kid on Epic Jasper.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Have a great time. Have a great mom's time and a great Epic Jasper time.
Hey, it's time.